I will show you how to fix an air cooler motor problem and replace the old motor with a new one motor. This motor has two main connections, one for the main power supply, another for the capacitor. Now place the new motor inside the stand frame. Fix the motor using the bottom stud bolts and tight the all nuts properly. Also connect the earthing wire to the motor and tighten it securely. All motor base bolts tight properly by using a spanner. Tight the all four base bolts. New motor wiring connections. The motor have two wiring connections available. One is main wiring, another is capacitor wiring. Open the switch regulator board. Insert the motor main wire switch board inside. The motor main wiring four wires available: red, black, white and blue. All four wire connections are inside the switch regulator board only. Red wire is phase. Connect to the fan regulator red wire. The white wire is capacitor to connect to the fan regulator white wire. Both the red and white wire joints using insulated tape. Take the black wire to speed control to connect to the fan regulator black wire. Motor main wire last blue wire is neutral to connect directly to the power supply neutral. Make sure to secure all joints using insulated tape. Insert the fan regulator switch. Insert the switchboard. After inserting the switchboard screw tight properly. Cooler parts assembly: top cover, water distributor pipe, blower fan, blower housing, cooling pad grills. Insert the blower fan onto the motor shaft. Slightly push the blower inside the motor shaft. To rotate the blower, free rotation. Insert the blower fan locking screw. After tight the locking screw properly. Again check the fan rotating freely. Capacitor connection: connect the second motor wire. Two white wires connect to the capacitor. Blower housing installation: insert the blower housing over the blower fan. Align the properly. Blower housing: insert the bottom frame screws. Tighten the all screws securely. Lock the blower housing with plastic locking clamps. See the blower housing with plastic locking clamps. Fix the front end screw on both the sides, top and bottom, and tight them properly right side. Fix the front end screws on both sides on the top and bottom and tight them properly left side. Now plug in the power supply. Check whether the motor is rotating normally. Use the fan regulator switch to increase speed step by step and ensure it is working correctly. Connect the motor second wire to the capacitor. Place the capacitor inside the plastic holder and close the cap. Mainline tank water tube. Take the top cover along with the water distributor pipe. Install the top cover along with the water distributor pipe. Fix the top cover. Connect the water supply tube, top cover, water distributor pipe. Fix all top cover screws, front corner screws tight. Top cover screws, back corner side top cover screws tight. Top cover, front corner screws tight properly. Top cover, back corner screws tight properly. Now install the cooling pad grills. Insert the right side cooling pad grill. After lock the button. Insert the back side cooling pad grill. Lock the button. Insert the left side cooling pad grill. Lock the cooling pad. Open the water filling cap. Fill the water in the tank. After filling the water complete, switch on the power supply, check the motor rotation, increase the speed using the regulator step by step. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.